Hi, folks. You're welcome to the last episode of the Forex Beginners Lessons. Okay, so today we are going to be discussing about basic Forex analysis. Okay, so we explained a lot of things in the previous episodes, which ranges from introduction, the Forex terminologies, some going deeper into understanding what lot sizes are, what time frames, and all form of things that you need to understand if you are trading Forex. Okay, so today we are going to be looking at the basic Forex analysis. Okay, so that you will be able to understand the kind of things that people make and the kind of analysis that people take in order to make decision. So it's very important for you guys to understand that. So now we are going to be looking at the major subtopics that we'll be discussing on this episode, which is charts. We are going to look at charts. What do charts means? And then what exactly are we using charts for when it comes to trading Forex to make money? We will look at trend and then what decision we can be able to use, trend in order to make, and then range also, support and resistance. Okay. So these are the things we are going to be looking at in this episode. And this is just going to be at the beginner's level. Okay. I'm just going to illustrate to you the kind of things you'll be looking out for when you are making your decisions in the Forex market. So let us head on. Okay. The first thing we are going to be looking at is charts. Okay. So what are charts? Look at these ones. All these ones that you are seeing are charts. Okay. They are price changes and movements that are being recorded, trying to give you, an information, history of what price has been doing in the market. So that is what charts is. And we use this very much when it comes to making Forex decisions. And it's very, very helpful to any trader out there. If you see a trader that is very professional and then making off a lot of money from the market, then he made use of these charts to be able to understand what the market does and then, of course, make decisions that can be able to help him or her in order to achieve his trading plans. Okay, so now then we move to what? We move to the trend. What does trend means? Okay. Now these are what trend means. Okay. So when the price is moving up high in the market, okay, so it usually signifies that. Okay. So trend is usually what the price is doing in the market in such a way that it moves in a particular direction without reversing. Okay. Now if you look at this point, this price has been moving up from this point. It goes up, it retraces down, it goes up, it retraces down, it goes up, it retraces down, it goes up, it then retraces down. Okay. Now, if you look at this place, from the previous episode. So please, before I forget this, if you have not watched the previous episodes, then this might not make any sense to you. But please, if you really want to carry your journey, to Forex very far, then I would recommend that you go and check out all the episodes that we have recorded in a sequential manner, because I have broken them down to a level that even a person who have never known about Forex will be able to groom his own knowledge to this level. Okay. So now we said if you buy in Forex and then the market decides to go up, that's the price decides to go up, then you'll make a lot of money. And then if you sell and then the price decides to come down, then you make a lot of money. Now, if you look at this, the price is moving up. Okay. For anybody that wants to make some money in the Forex, and then from where I extracted these charts, okay, this was US dollar and then Swiss francs currency pair. So now if you look at this, each of the movement from the lowest point to the highest point before retracement is not less than 120 pips. Okay. And if you are using a lot size of 0.1, then it is going to be something that is going to give you nothing less than $120. Okay. Each of this movement from this point, let's say from this point up to this highest point, will give you nothing less than $120. And then if you wait for this entry point also, if you buy at this point and then allow it to move up to the highest point around this place, then it's going to give you nothing less than $120. So these are the things that we use the market information to make decisions for. So mostly when it is an uptrend, that's the price is moving up, what usually happens is that the price goes up, and once it goes up to a maximum point at that moment, it now begins to retrace down by mostly at least 50% level. Okay, if it is a normal uptrend. Okay, and then by the time it comes down to this level, and then it will now start going up again. So your own aim as a trader is, once the market goes up and then it's begin to retrace down to this level, you will now buy. That's why I recorded this place as entry point. Okay, you will buy at this point. then the market will go up, and then you will be making off a lot of money, and then you can be able to put your take profit around this point. You can be able to put a take profit around this point, but then you can put your stop loss around this point, but then this will be your entry point. By the time the market comes to this point and then hits your take profit, it is going to close that position for you, and then it will add up that your profit to your own balance, and then you wait for another retracement for another entry. This is another viable entry point. Once you enter in this point, then you are going to make a lot of money when it comes to this point, and then of course you put your own take profit here, and then you put your stop loss around here, and then once it goes up, you now wait for another retracement. Okay, by the time it retraces down again, you now buy it again, and then the price will go up, and that is how you continue to make your own money in forex. So this is what we use trend, in order to make our own decisions in the forex, and this is an uptrend. Okay, now when it comes to a downtrend, the same principle applies. Okay, once the price is coming down, you look for a retracement. Okay, when there's a discount, we call it discount in forex. That is when something comes in a particular direction and then reverses, then it's just giving you a discount of a best entry point. Okay, so this is a very good entry point, such that the price never goes up to this point until it comes down. Now you can be able to enter the market around this point, then you put your stop loss here, you put your take profit around this point. Once the price goes here and then it comes down, then by the time it retraces up here, by the time it closes your position here as your take profit, then it will retrace back again. So once it retraces back again, you can also go short here again. That is, you pick your own position here. Okay, this is also another entry point. Okay, by the time you put your own entry here, you put your stop loss around this place. Okay, it will come down, and then you can put your take profit around this place. Then you wait for another retracement where you can also go short here. Okay, you pick another transaction here, put your stop loss around this point. Okay, and then put your take profit around this place. Now this is a lower low, this is a lower low, this is a lower low, while this is a lower high, this one is a lower high, this one is a lower high. So the price doesn't go up to the previous lower high, but it keeps on coming down. Once you set your own positions like this, then you will keep on making money in forex without having any headache. So this is what you can be able to use the trend in order to make this decision. So these are basic forex analysis that one can be able to do in order to make money in forex. So if you are in forex and then you are just a beginner, I want you to have this as just an introduction to what you can be able to learn in forex, because these are some of the things that you make your decisions with. And as we go to the intermediate classes, then we are going to even look at even more and more analysis that you can be able to make in order to make your own decision. Okay, so this one is just the beginners class. Okay, so this is the last episode, so I'm just trying to round up and then give us just a test of what forex analysis looks like. Okay, so now, having gone through that, then we will look at what range, support, and resistance. Okay, so let us look at this all way around together. So now, for you to understand this, let us also go to an illustration that can explain that to us. So now, if you look at this, this is a ranging market. A ranging market simply means prices moving within a defined positions below and lower. Okay, so the lower part is the support. Okay, while the higher point where the price doesn't go beyond is resistance. So now if the price comes down to this support, it reverses up and then goes up. Okay, if it comes to this resistance, it now starts coming down, and then once it comes down around this support area, it goes up again, and then once it goes up here, it comes down. So what this means is that you can be able to pick your own positions within this range. Okay, because now your resistance, how you can be able to identify a range market is, you look for a particular higher position, okay, or higher point to which the price went up, and then you look out if there are other positions that is similar to that height. Okay, now if you look at this point, this is one position, this is second position that meet at the same point before reversing. And then if you look at the support area, you will discover that this very point is where the price comes down and then reverses. And if you look at it, the price comes down, and just around this region of this line, it reverses up. It comes up and then it reverses. It goes up and then it reverses. Now, the point of this line, this point, if you look at it, there are price differences that you can be able to, take advantage of and then make a cool money out of it. Okay, so you can decide to, buy around this point, put your stop loss, your take profit here, and then put your stop loss, around anything lower than this point. And then, of course, once the price comes up here, it is going to close the position for you and then add that profit to your, what do they call it, your balance. And then you can also sell at this point and then put your take profit here while your stop loss just a point above it, and then it will come down. Once it reaches this point, then it will give you your own balance, close the position and give you the profit. And the same thing, you keep on repeating it. You buy here, you sell here, and then you sell here, you buy here, and then you buy here. That is how you can be taking advantage of this understanding to be able to make money. So when I tell you that knowledge gives you a lot of money in forex, guys, this is what I mean. It's not a joke. Even if you're a beginner, these are some of the things that you can be able to take advantage of. I will want you, to study this thing very well. Go over and over, this thing, and then you will be able to learn it. Okay. And please, I want you guys to stick to this channel because I'm going to take you to your dreamland when it comes to forex. As far as forex is concerned, believe you me, I am going to take you to that height where you can be able to make a very significant decision that can help you to be able to, make off a lot of profit in the forex market. Okay. So in the next episode that is going to drop in is going to be the intermediate classes. Okay, so we are going to be discussing at the advanced form of forex. We will look at, the applications that one can use in trading forex. We will look at brokers. We will look at different, analysis, different types of analysis in the forex market, and then you will be able to learn a lot of things. Okay, but in this one, I want you to master these beginners classes, because if you don't master these beginners classes, which I have designed purposely, to elevate your knowledge, to be able to have a grasp and understanding of what we are going to be discussing in the intermediate, then it's going to be difficult for you. So I encourage you to go back to this channel, check out the episode 1, episode 2, up to this episode 7, which is the final episode for the forex beginners lessons. Okay, so all these ones charts that we are looking at in this today's video are just indicators on where you can be able to look at. Now, if you look at this point, you will discover that there is a support and resistance that you can be able to take advantage of in this particular point. Okay, now look at it. So it's always good for you to understand this. Now someone may say, okay, what if it is changing direction and then is moving now to an uptrend from range? That is also something you will get to learn when you join the next phase of this forex lessons, which is the intermediate classes. Okay, now you can see a market can be, a trending market, and then by the time it comes to a certain point, it becomes a ranging market. Okay, once it becomes a ranging market, and then it will now become an uptrend. Okay, so I want you guys to really understand that these are things that you can be able to understand and master as long as you follow the right mentor. Okay, so that is what we will be discussing. And if you have not joined our telegram group, I will encourage you to join the telegram group through the link, that I have dropped in the description of this video, because you will have access to the right mentorship, and then you will be able to ask questions to our tutors, and then they will also answer your own questions right away, in real time, and then you will get a lot of knowledge from the forex market. Okay, right from our own tutors. So I believe you were able to learn a lot of things in this market. So please, I will want you, as I've said earlier, to go back and then learn more of the things that you can be able to learn in this market, and then you will be head off for your own profit. And then, of course, you'll become a forex millionaire. When I say you'll become a forex millionaire, I'm not just saying these things for saying sake. You can quote me anywhere. Okay, the only challenge I want you to pick is to just follow the lessons I am teaching you in this video. Believe you me, you're gonna watch yourself jump from the point where you never have imagined to have rise in life, then you will reach the maximum peak of the amount you can be able to make in this forex market. So thank you guys for following to the end of this beginners episode, and I hope you were able to get all the basic knowledge, the basic and the necessary basic knowledge that you need when it comes to forex lessons, forex trading, and then stuffs like that. Okay, so please, I will want you to take your time and then go through these things. If there's anything you don't understand, do not hesitate, to ask in the comment section. And of course, if you join the telegram group, also I will encourage you to always ask questions where you don't understand, because most of our students that are right in that channel, they're always asking questions, through the question outlets, and then they are getting real-time answers that helps them. Okay, so I want you guys to take this serious. Okay, watch me take you to a dreamland of forex trading. Even if you have not you have not known anything about forex in your lifetime, if you can just join this channel, there's nothing that will stop you from becoming a master trader. Okay, when I say a master trader, I mean someone that understands forex market so much to an extent that that person can be able to make profit from the market. Okay, you can even be able to make a living to an extent that you will get married, have your own kids, take care of your kids, take them to good school, go for vacation from forex market, as long as you get the right knowledge. So I hope you were able to learn a lot of things in this market. So thank you guys. Thank you for coming to the end of this episode, as I've said earlier. And then see you guys in another video and in another episode, which is going to be the intermediate classes. Thank you. Bye.